Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We're in my kitchen. Yay! If you're new to this channel, my name is Bobby. I do makeup videos, sometimes I do vlogs every once in a while or whatever, but today we're going to be making a body scrub video. Yay! Anyways, so excuse a lot of the mess we have going on over here, because see, I just got done making cupcakes with my baby, and that's his first cupcake for his first little cupcake order, and I'm so proud of him. He did a great job, and it's so cute, right? Right. Okay, so let's get into the ingredients. The ingredients you'll need for this is some coffee. I got Dunkin' Donuts one just because it smells really good. But granulated coffee, grain sugar. It doesn't really matter what kind of sugar. If it gets a little too thick, I'm going to use some olive oil, a little cup for measuring. That one just so happens to be a third a cup. I'm going to use this brand. It's 100% Shea Butter and coconut oil. Now, you can use just regular food storage containers, but I actually have containers that are left over from other sugar and body scrubs that I have had at my house before. So that's what we're going to eventually store these in. You need to make sure that you have lids for these, because if water gets into it, you know, most of these things don't have preservatives in them. They're like they're like regular food items, so you definitely got to make sure that you have a lid for it. And these are made for sugar scrubs, so I know it'll be fine. In your bowl, I want to put some of the Shea Butter, and I'm just going to start out with a little bit of the Shea Butter. Just take like a few chunks, because unlike coconut oil, Shea Butter hardens up a lot harder. So I'm just gonna take, if I can get some, cut some. Oh, and the bowl you're gonna use needs to be like a microwave safe bowl, and I'm going to microwave it for, I'm going to microwave it for probably about 30 seconds. Like, keep your eye on it, and it'll turn liquid, and then after it's, you know, cools back down, it'll turn to a solid again. So definitely just keep your eye on it, because we don't want it to be like boiling hot, because then it'll start to melt the sugar. So we want it to be like a little bit warmer than room temperature. Okay. Oh, while that's microwaving, right, I'm gonna turn around and keep an eye on it. So I just got done watching like Jaclyn Hill's latest upload, and I'm gonna have to say I like the Jaclyn Hill palette that came out with Morphe. I like the brushes. I think she does really good work as makeup and stuff, but good God, if that girl is not the most neurotic piece of shit, like not piece of shit, I'm sure she's a nice person, but like she just she like, you can't act holier than thou when you're basically low-key poisoning people with your shitty makeup that you came out with. People are mad at you because of the shitty makeup you came out with and that half-assed apology that you like tried to sprinkle out there and think that that was gonna be okay, that that was gonna placate people. It's not. I was, before that scandal, like a really big Jaclyn Hill fan. I was a really big Jeffree Star fan. I'm still a big Jeffree Star fan because he doesn't play no games. He's not about that. Like, if he fucks up, he's like, well, shit, I did it. So, and that's how I am. Like, if you did something and maybe you fucks up, maybe somebody else fucked up, but you know what, it's your shit. So own your shit, own your fucking makeup brand, and then we'll let you move. The public will let you move on with your life. I don't necessarily agree with all the hate comments or the hateful comments that she gets about her weight, because really, whether it's relationship weight, she's eating her stress, or stress has just got her a little bit bloated, whatever. I'm a little bit, you know, bigger of an individual, okay? So like, that shouldn't even be relevant to her. Like, I know she used to be littler, but bitch is damn near pushing 30, okay? Your metabolism isn't what it used to be when you're in your early 20s, whenever you're fucking happy as shit. It's just not. So people should leave her alone about her weight. But other than that, I don't know. This is not a cute lighting in here. I should have tried to MacGyver something in my beauty room, because the lighting in this kitchen is terrible. But yeah, this is my kitchen, everybody. Some delicious ass cupcakes. They're not even for me. I'm very sad about it. But I'm the last person who needs some damn cupcakes in their life. Back to the scrub. Oh shit. Back to the scrub. Oh. So we have like a melty little mixture right here of coconut oil and shea butter. So there's still a little bit of chunks of shea butter, so I'm just gonna mash them up inside of here and just get it a little bit more warm, because it does need to be cohesive, it does need to be mixable. So like, you can't have giant chunks like that, but I'm trying to get rid of it and let it be heated up by the other oils that are in there. So, but I think y'all should let me know what you think about the, like, what her video that she just came out with. Danielle, I know you watch my videos, okay? If you watched her video, comment below or like inbox me or something. I really need to know other people's opinions, okay? Y'all don't be trying to be interactive with me. And I like people to be interactive with me on my channel. I always respond whenever somebody comments. Anyways, let me quit being extra. So I want it to be mostly coffee, because you know the caffeine that's in coffee is actually really, really good for your skin and for reducing cellulite, all kinds of, improving circulation, all kinds of stuff like that. It's really good for your skin. So coffee grounds, here we go. And if you would prefer a different kind of coffee brand, do you, boo. Jesus, I swear all packaging plays me. You guys see that? And it plays me. I'm not joking. Okay, so once again, this is 1/3 of a cup, and it has like 80 milliliters or whatever. I don't do metrics here. I barely do cups and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna take 1/3 cup of this, and then a heaping 1/3 cup. Pour that in there. My sugar is old, guys. Don't read me down in my comment section about these sugars. But I'm going to try and scoot some of the bigger chunks to the side and get some sugar, a heaping 1/3 cup of sugar. And I'm going to mix all of this concoction together. This is a little runny for my liking, and it's not just because it's melted. I just don't feel like it has enough ingredients in it. So I'm going to put a little bit more sugar. See, like 1/2 of a third. So, and then I'm going to do the same thing with some more coffee. That's a little more than half, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. We're eyeballing. Like when I cook food, I never measure really, unless it's like a cake recipe or something I haven't done before. I never measure. Is that weird or is that normal? Because like I was just cooking with my grandma or whatever whenever I was young. She was like, just put a little bit or put a sprinkle, you know, like she never was like, put 1/3 cup in there, Bobby. I like this kind of consistency. It's like more dry, but I think I need something a little bit more cohesive. So I am going to put a little bit of the olive oil in it. So, ooh, where's my 3rd cup? Oh shit, it's in here. Okay, so I know this is a liquid and you're not supposed to put it, so I just filled like the bottom of it, and so it's like less than half, right? And then, okay, but I swear to you, this is good for your skin. Trust me, at least on that. You can question my baking skills, my cooking, all you want to, but if I know anything, I know makeup. And I know what's good for your skin, okay? Wet sand kind of consistency to this, because like when I'm moving it, it's hard, but if I let it sit there, it's kind of jiggly. So we have our wet sand mixture for Melissa. I'm going to pour it into her little container. Okay, so welcome back. Clearly it's the next day and I'm in my bathroom, which also has shitty lighting. But the scrub is done. I like let it cool down to room temperature now. So I've used it and Melissa has used it, but I'm going to use it on one hand and just demo it. I'm not going to use it on my legs or anything like that because this ain't that kind of channel. But I'm going to just demo it so you guys can see the difference between like one of my hands that has, you know, been exfoliated with it, and then the other hand that hasn't. Okay, so my left hand is the hand that had it on there, and my right hand is the one that did not have it on there. As you can see there, it's physically softer. It's a little bit red right here because, you know, of the scrub and stuff like that, but it leaves your hands and your skin with a very beautiful sheen on it. Super moisturized looking. Well, this hand has a decent amount of sheen to it. It has no product on it at all. Like, as you can see right here and right here on my hands look a little bit more aged, a little bit more dry. Let me have you guys hear Melissa's opinion. She did try it one time, so let's go find her. She's somewhere in this house. But it is really an abrasive kind of scrub, so I personally would say, like, you know, I would maybe use it once a week. But it's really good for winter time. It's very moisturizing. What did you think about the scrub?
When I went to use it, I opened it up and it felt really stiff, so I was real skeptical at first, and I put it on my body and like I got a little wet and started moving it around. I was like, okay, smells a lot like coffee. I really enjoyed that strong coffee smell. And so I started like rubbing it all over myself, and then as soon as like the water like hit it when I was rinsing it off, like my skin immediately felt like 1,000 times more moisturized while in the shower. And I've been using a lot of body scrubs lately, and none of them have had that like same effect while in the shower. So
Bath and Body Works and
I
everything.
probably showered a couple hours ago. I still feel super like moisturized and smooth. I didn't even put on any lotion when I got out, and I always have to put on lotion. So I really like it. Don't let the stiffness fool you. It works really, really well. It smells fantastic. I told her not to even make this video and try to sell it, but you know, she wants to do this, so y'all better...
Trying to be nice.
Y'all, I mean, try it.
Subscribe.
Try it. Like, even if you're not into makeup or anything, but you just like smooth skin. I have psoriasis, and so like it made like even like itchy parts of my body like isn't itchy right now. So I'd try it if you want to feel smooth or whatever. So
okay, well, you've heard it from somebody who has oily skin and
dry skin.
Dry skin. While I get ashy, you know, just because I'm brown a little bit, you know, like I like being smooth and soft and silky and shit like a fucking lady.
I like when you're smooth and soft and silky like a lady.
Yeah. Well, that's it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe down below. It's over here. So be sure and subscribe. What's something else that YouTubers say? Click the notification bell, comment below, like this video, blah, blah, blah. Y'all know the drill. See you next time. Bye. Is that 1.5 of a cup? Like, is it 1.2? Is half of a third of a cup? Like, if you know what that is, comment it down below because I legitimately don't know. So a half of a third of a cup in there, okay? See, all you need is a third cup for this. I'm stupid. Y'all should not even be watching me. You're like, this is such a shit show. And I don't even care if it's organic. Give me the chemicals, honey. But and I think I need to add, this smells amazing. I'm about to make myself a cup of coffee. I'm sorry, I'm just not good with measurements. So I had 1.5 of a third of a cup. So I don't know how much that is, but I put 1.5 of these bitches in there.
But I don't want you to use this footage.
Melissa,
I wasn't prepared.
I want to be done with it.
Okay, but I wasn't ready.
Why do you even have that on? Take it off.
No, I'm gonna put it in the car.
Hey, don't tell your video that I got fired from my job.
Don't tell everybody you got fired from your job today?
At Frontier City.
From Frontier City on Football Sunday? Football's the reason he got fired. Okay, guys?